Hello everybody, welcome back to our TCL Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you're using USB-C headphones, you want to clean the charging port because dust can block a lot of the connection. Now, our charging port, of course, it's at the bottom, the most common place. And we want to make sure that we clean it really thorough so that there's no dust or debris inside of it. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to restart the phone. So this is all for your USB-C headphones. We're going to get to the Bluetooth headphones in a while. But now we're going to restart the phone. So we're going to press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now go over and tap on restart. And now our system is refreshing, so that's the reason why we're doing this. And I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and if you're using an adapter for 3.5mm headphones, the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, make sure that you're using an original one or a certified one. It is very important because sometimes it may just be bad, it may be damaged, so you want to check that out. You can also try another pair of headphones and try connecting them to another phone to see if the issue is with the headphones or with the phone itself. Now, as a last resort, and now we're also going for the Bluetooth headphones, you need to update your phone's software. So go to settings and go to my device. Tap on TCO UI, and here make sure that you're on the latest version. So my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It's very important. And now let's go over into the Bluetooth headphones. So we're gonna go back into the main page of the settings. We're gonna go to Bluetooth, and if your Bluetooth is turned on, make sure to turn it off and turn it on. As you guys can see, my headphones are here, and now what are we going to do is we're going to forget them. So we're going to tap on the gear icon, click forget, and click forget device at the bottom. What are we going to do next is I am using the AirPods 3 Pro, so I just double tap the front case. You need to figure out your pairing mode. How do you enter it? And once you enter it, you will see your device here. So let me just enter it by double tapping the case so it blinks white. And now refresh our available devices. We should see our headphones. We're going to click on them and click pair. Once we pair to our headphones, we should have them as an active device. And if it's not working for you, make sure that you charge your headphones fully. This is very important. Sometimes they just may be not charged. For example, the case can be at 0%. The headphones will work, but they will not connect. And make sure that you avoid any other device interference. So if the headphones are also connected to another device, make sure that this device has Bluetooth either disabled or that it doesn't just automatically connect to your headphones. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is scroll all the way down into System, go over into Other, and go to Reset Options. Here you tap Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, click Reset, and as you guys can see, it's been reset. So now you lost your Bluetooth device. You have to repair. It, and also you lost your networks. So you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.